That's amazing. Today on the 15th of July 2025 we have that beautiful copper chime here.
Yeah.
And this is on Huippukatu 3 to 5 staircase T.
Asuntoskehtiö Kerinkorkea.
This was in Liipola, Lahti. Lahti is Finland. And now you have only the staircase E left to be filmed here. You can watch all the rest of the staircases here. So, has been built in 1974, like late 1974. December SP is 3924, even though ABC is late 1973. Yeah. 6 floors. Capacity is 4 per 20. Second round.
Niin sit pakki vaan pitää teet paikka on. That's
Thank you very much for watching.